Hey y'all, I'm back for day 7, whoop whoop, of our 31-day challenge of cleaning clutter from our homes, freeing ourselves up mentally from mental clutter, and we're doing this in a 31-day stretch. So what happens, for those who don't know, I took the numbers 1 through 31, I cut them up in little slips of paper, I put them in this here sack, and every day I shake the sack up, I pull a number out, and whatever number I pull out is the number of items that I get rid of in my home for that day. And then I go pull the items and I come back and show you what it is. So here we go. So hold on, I gotta give the bag a shake. All right. Now today, I really wanted a low number because a homegirl is tired and it's kind of late. But anyway, let's see what we get. What is it? 23. Okay, so let me go find 23 items and I'll be right back. See you in a minute. Okay, I'm back with my items. That took me a lot longer than I thought it would have. 23 was a hard number. So here we go. All right, we have Tupperware containers. That's 1. More Tupperware containers, round and square. That's 2. I have, let's see, pack of batteries that have expired. I have a little koozie that you put wine in. I have this wonderful, whoa, things are sliding over here. I have this wonderful living language set. When I thought I was gonna learn Italian before I went to Italy, I went to Italy and didn't really speak Italian. Life didn't allow, so I'm done with that. This is a limited liabilities CD from back in the day. Hand sanitizer that's done. Leather wipes that are dried up in the pack. Got a set of bubbles. A leftover glue bottle from probably when my son was little. He's like 22 now. So, Colgate that has expired. We have this beautiful vase. We have this koozie. What do I call these koozies? Water bottle. A bottle. Leftover Advil. And let me move this stuff around here. Okay, here we go. These I bought like in the early 2000s. I have been carrying these things around, never opened, never use them. They're like Ziploc storage baggy things. Somebody is gonna enjoy getting these. And then I have an electrical socket. I have an old laundry thing, old cup. I have a glass. I have this set of aluminum pans that I am not using. All right, almost done. Then I have this, which is a turner that I made, well, that I had made for me that I never used for crafting when you are putting glitter and stuff on mugs. So hopefully someone at the Goodwill will know what this is and make good use of it or wherever I take them. And then finally, I have this, which is leather from a bookbinding project that I did. And this was, I didn't know which leather I wanted to use. So I got all that leather that is also gonna go to be donated. And on the floor, y'all gonna have to trust me on this one. So on the floor, I have a bag of face masks and stuff like that. And then I also have a bag, a tote bag that may or may not have been a gift, which may or may not be why I don't want to show it on video, just in case the person who gave it to me, you know, feel some kind of way about me giving it away. But that's the thing about cleaning stuff out. Sometimes things that people bought you as gifts have used them, you've used them, and it's gone well, but it's time to let them go. And that's okay. All right? So until tomorrow, we are through day 7. See you soon.